afternoon, welcome to Crazy Horse Morgan. My name's Dan Whiting and this is just a quick walk around of a 2022 Morgan Plus 4. So it's a car that we've just taken in part exchange, and we've done a few little bits and bobs on it to make it a bit more unique, like we do at Crazy Horse. We're quite known for doing that. If you look past our sold vehicles on our website, you'll see lots of unique cars, and this is one that, again, that we thought we'd turn our hand to and just make a little bit different. So as you can see, Morgan dark grey with the maroon hood, so really contemporary looking finish on the car. Just carry on with that theme to make it look a bit more contemporary. You can see here body coloured headlamp rims, body coloured spotlights and rims, white indicator lenses, and the new 2025 plinths that you would find on a Midsummer, believe it or not. And we think that just adds something to the front of the car, a little bit more dynamic looking, and we have our own bespoke turned stainless steel mounts to finish that off behind the number plate there. One of the other things that we've had done is had the wheels done in this wonderful black chrome powder coat, and you can see how the engine the wheels look more like a metal finish rather than just the solid black that they get from the factory or the silver paint. It's got really, and it adds so much depth, the way how the light reacts with the surfaces. So yeah, we're really pleased with the way the wheels have come out on this car, and it suits the sort of contemporary look of this wonderful Plus 4 manual. And we've also done a few bits and bobs inside, but walking around you can see, you might not be able to see from the picture, but full paint protection film on the front end from the factory. The 2022 cars benefited from the new style badging, the new hoods, the new wiper blades, various upgrades to seats, suspension and such like, but the bigger change was the new style hood with the lack of the old-fashioned ears, shall we say, on the tops of the roof. So comes with a spare wheel as an option, and again, as you can see, that's been powder coated in that lovely chrome finish as well. Mohair hood, luggage rack preparation, and the paint protection extends over the back arches just here. There's a little tiny line that you can see here, and along the bottom of the wing, just protecting that radius on the edge there when you're getting in and out. So well worth having. Union Jack enamel badges, just tie in really nicely with the red roof and the paintwork on the car. Black stone guard with the polished mesh is a really nice contrast, and that polished mesh on the bottom there. And when we PDI our cars, we remove that mesh and then body colour behind there with black stone guard or black stone chip, so you get that depth look. And we also reposition the headlights so that when you look from the front you can't see the wires, which are fairly unsightly on nearly all other manufacturer or other dealers' cars. So yeah, quite a little bit of work on the cosmetics, but it really looks and is worthwhile doing, these little touches that we do. In a moment I'll just open up, put the roof down, take the side screens off so you can see what she looks like with those items off. So here we are back with the roof down. All the later cars have what they call a modern easy up hood, so it takes around about 40 seconds to put the roof down. And of course this has got the side screen removes, so you can get that lovely silhouette of what Morgan is all about. Just walk around the other side so you can see what that looks like with the side screen on with the roof down. And what we'll do now is just go through what we've done on the inside of the car. So we've had the stainless polished, or sorry, aluminium polished steering wheel centre on there to give it that, again, contemporary look, with a little nod to the past. Had the centre console covered in leather and our own bespoke finish to a leather covered dashboard, which isn't available from the factory. And we've got that lovely French stitch to add a little bit of detail around the edges for the clocks. And that lovely finish follows through to the binnacle just in front of the driver. Also had fitted the turned aluminium dashboard panel, which really adds something to the finish of the car inside. Again, not available from the factory, and a bespoke option available through us here at Crazy Horse. Or if you're lucky enough to purchase this vehicle, you know that you've got a one-off car. So the car comes with heated seats. I don't know if you can see just underneath there. That's your heated seat switch button just there. Also air conditioning on this car. Two really nice options. Embroidered headrests. Bluetooth speaker system. Stainless steel rear view mirror and sun visors. So yeah, really nice looking and bespoke +4 manual. More pictures are obviously going to be available on the website, so you can have a flick through those at your leisure. Just take in the detail that the car has got. Hopefully the video shows you the condition of the car. It is really in fantastic condition, both inside and out. We'll look to take part exchanges. Any Morgans we're always keen to take, because we're incredibly busy, and you can see why when we offer the sort of finish and the preparation that we have on our cars. The car will come with a 12 months MOT from the date that the car's delivered, serviced just before delivery, and we put a 6 months warranty on through Crazy Horse, covering all aspects of the ownership, bumper to bumper. We've got the option to also deliver cars anywhere in the UK with a covered trailer, so talk to us about that and we'll happily work something out for you. Hopefully you found it useful. As I say, all the pictures will be on our website at www.crazyhorse.co.uk. My name's Dan Whiting. Please get in touch if you've got any questions, and I'll do what I can to help. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.